It's Thursday. Mr. Box 1993 here with us in the bathroom. Now, if you don't mind me saying, Ziggy, you seem a bit excited this morning.
I'm more than a little bit excited, Mr. Evans. I am pretty excited indeed. I've got a brand new slot on the crunch.
Not a new slot. Ziggy boy.
Ziggy boy.
Okay, also today's a very special day because you're going to meet a top European surfer, and his name is?
Darren Wright.
Darren Wright on the show later on. He's going to be... Darren, what are you doing?
I'm in here, aren't I?
No, Darren, look at the time, look at the time.
Look at the time, Darren.
Look at the time.
You're too
You're too early, Darren. Go and study the waves in the canal. Thank you. Yes, good.
I can't believe it. It's just, they're so keen.
Hey, yeah, but you can't knock keenness, can you?
Can't knock
you
it, Chris.
can't. Thanks for being keen. Thanks for being keen. Keen but early.
Chris, check this out.
Oh, what's this?
Have a look.
Okay.
Give me a hand, because it's quite long.
Ziggy boy,
Now, this here is from Louise Beversford from Tamworth in Staffordshire.
Louise, that is brilliant, Millo.
The bottom line is, it's rubbish.
Chris.
What?
It's not.
It is rubbish. Once again, you're keen, but Darren was keen and early. You're keen, but rubbish. So.
No, it's not.
No. What? Good
Brilliant.
No, forget drawing. Okay.
Okay, well, Zig, tell them about the hat that just fell off me.
Okay.
Anyway, you see this brilliant app
These
that
are
was
very
sent in
good.
by Lisa
Check them out.
Durago from West Midlands, because that's easier to say. And that's why the brilliant and the kind of surfing kind of things we could kind of hang out on the beach.
Good ones, yes.
Excellent. Oh,
New slot time, new
Do
slot
that
time.
again, do that again.
No time. New slot.
New slot.
Zig.
My new slot.
What's it called?
It's the really cute slot.
It's really cute.
Yeah!
Oh,
So how does it work?
Well, I've got all these sort of cute things lined up.
Right.
Okay?
Chris, I
Come
hope
on,
they're
let's
not
have a
too
look.
cute, because you know the way.
Okay, take us through it.
This is a little teddy bear and he's all fluffy.
It's really cute.
Okay.
What's
Pick
next?
something
This
else.
is great.
What?
This mug. Yeah. This. See, it's
Oh,
just
it's
like
just a mug.
it's a nice little cup and it's got nice flowers.
Yeah,
but
but
they're okay.
it's okay.
They're not really cute.
Reasonably
But look
cute.
inside.
It's really cute.
Oh.
Okay. This here, but that's not it, is it? What is it?
No, wait, Chris.
What? No, this.
Let's have a closer
Is this
look.
it?
Let's have a closer
It's
look.
just a cotton
Close
bud.
up on 12, John. It's just, but it's pink and it's got the little
It's really cute. Yeah. Is that your new slot?
Yeah.
Oh, I like
Really
it.
cute.
So basically,
why?
what?
You know it's my new. Why it's my new?
Why is that, boss?
Because it's
Really
cute.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but are we looking for cuteness in everyday items that normally
yes.
wouldn't be really cute?
Yeah.
Can I have a go?
Yeah.
This clipboard.
Just a
Yeah.
clipboard, Chris.
It's just
There's
a
nothing
clipboard,
cute about
really.
it.
It's got some little corrugated cardboard.
don't
It's got a little
believe
soft
it.
there.
Oh,
It's really cute. And that's how it works, viewers.
Yeah.
You can send your stuff in to the crunch if you want.
But
Yeah.
only if it's
Really
cute.
And now the question about the clip.
The question about the clip is, name this classic TV program, and remember, don't phone because
It's really cute.
Whoa! Darren Wright!
Steady, John, steady!
He's working at number 3 in the British amateur surfing state.
Steady.
He is one heck of a
Gotta get
surfer.
weighty in here.
Darren, thanks for pumping it. And on behalf of the Big Breakfast audience and basically most of the country, it's my turn to ask a very important question. That question is, Darren, did you always want to be into surfing?
Oh, you got that question. That's so boring. It's unbelievable.
What?
Did he ask you why you wanted to be a surfer?
Yeah.
Thought you might, yeah. Okay. Darren, welcome to the bathroom.
Yeah.
He's Darren, he's a top
Darren!
top European surfer. Now, we nearly called you a champion surfer,
Yeah.
and you told us not to.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Well, I've lost it.
No!
Oh, what do you mean?
No, I'm just having a bad session at the moment.
You were champion
Yeah.
last year,
Yeah.
but not this year.
Not this year.
He could be on the really cute slot. He's really cute. He's gorgeous bloke. Okay, you ready for some questions then?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, because you were going to be famous for 5 questions. Question number 1. Who wants to ask it?
I'll ask.
You sure?
Go
Yeah,
ahead,
let's have a
Zig.
look.
Go ahead.
Go for it, Ziggy boy.
Zig-a-boom. Zig-a-boom.
Okay. You are a champion surfer. if we want to impress someone with our surfing knowledge, can you give us 3 surfing terms?
3 surfing terms. Well, when you get down,
Whoa!
Zig!
when you get down on the beach, like, or
Yeah.
just like out in the pub or somewhere,
Yeah.
you're saying like, oh yeah, I was down the beach today and it was really cooking out there.
Oh,
Cooking,
okay, I'll try it. It was
All right,
really
okay,
cooking.
it's really cooking.
Yeah, it was really cooking.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Well, what were they cooking then?
No, no, don't confuse it.
Really cooking, getting some good tubes and barrels.
Tubes and barrels.
Tubes and barrels.
God, man, I was
Yeah.
down. I was really cooking with tubes and barrels. We had a barbecue and we used the
Okay.
barrels and
Yeah,
tubes
get
to...
some good tubes, like a few beers. No.
And one more.
A few good floaters and re-entries. Yeah, I
You sure that's
pulled up a
surfing?
few good floaters and re-entries.
Chris,
Oh no!
Chris!
Well, we saw those out straight
mean?
away.
Christopher, that is just plain ordinary...
there earlier.
yeah. Well, it's rude, Jake.
Thank you very much. What is a floater?
Chris.
Floater is when the wave's starting to break.
Yeah.
You jump onto the top of the wave and you come right down with the wave.
Of course
The
you
wave's
do.
breaking.
Oh, of course you
Of
do.
course it is.
Question number 2, Zag
Nothing to do with toilets at all. Yeah, you're a champion surfer. Is surf ever down?
Yeah, surfs.
Because you
Well,
already say surf's up.
yeah, surfs
Do they?
down a lot of the time.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, yeah, I know things. It's just things I know.
Okay, so what is surf up then, first
I mean,
of all?
surf's up means ready to go, doesn't it?
Surf's up is when the surf's pumping.
What?
What a guy! And surf down?
Surf's down is when it's flat and there's nothing to do in this bad weather.
Yeah, man.
Blimey,
yeah.
so that's
Hey,
depressing.
man,
Yeah.
it wasn't cooking that day.
No, there were no tubes and barrels.
No,
They'd
there's
all
no
gone
barbecue
home.
at all.
Forget the floaters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's
Question
ready.
number 3. Go on.
You are a champion surfer. Name 3 other things you could do with a surfboard.
A windbreak.
Windbreak? Well, yeah, if you're very small.
Yeah.
Not that kind
Sean?
of windbreak.
That was
Was that him? I thought it was you. Was it you? You're naughty, John. You.
Naughty today.
Okay,
Plain
so
old
windbreak for a small bloke.
Yeah, windbreak.
Come on, John.
Sleeping on the beach probably, and maybe an iron board.
Ironing board is
Ironing
good.
board is good.
What else do we have down there?
We had to sleep on and as a door.
There's a door.
Yeah.
A door?
Yeah.
Yeah, impossible.
Well, you said windbreak, so we'll
Yeah.
probably get back with our door. Okay, question number 4 from Zagabot.
You're a champion surfer. Can you now demonstrate 3 well-known waves?
3 known waves.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah, come on.
Tell him a joke.
Hi.
Oh,
Yoo-hoo. Yeah.
oh, that's a surf one.
Yeah, hey, okay. Question number 5 from
Okay.
Zagabot.
I'll ask this question as well.
Okay.
You are a champion surfer. Can you do a Beach Boys song? That's what it says, miss. That's what it says, missus.
Come on.
Everybody go, oh, I don't really listen to that music.
Oh, come on, you have to.
Come on!
Oh, blooming hell.
Come
Everybody
on!
going surfing USA. Oh.
What? Should we do it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Every girl's
Well, she's got a daddy's car and she's cruising just as fast as she can now. Got the radio blasting and she's got her all that now. That's enough. Got away with that, didn't we? Just about. Okay, question number 6.
the words. What?
Question number 6.
What?
It's never been before.
It's never famous for 6 questions.
I know, but it is today.
Wow.
Question number 6. Why did you dip your nose and mouth into a bag of flour before you came on the show?
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't flour, it's sunblock.
Oh, right, which is vital in the bathroom.
Very
Yeah.
essential.
Yes.
Very essential everywhere.
Especially if you're on a floater in a tube.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and it's cooking.
So, Darren, this has been Darren Wright, famous
Darren
questions.
Wright!
Top surfer man,
Top surfer!
but he can't sing.
Certainly can.